Guys, today I'm going to show you a simple and best food website, online food website, which I have designed and developed by using only HTML, CSS, JavaScript and jQuery. I have simply used only these four languages, not Bootstrap, not other things, not React, not Node.js, nothing else. A simple but best HTML, food code website, which I have designed. So let me show you. So these are the files of the website, which have some of these files are not in use. This is the index.html file, this is the HTML file, and this is the CSS file, and the JavaScript I have used, I have coded in the same HTML file itself. So before starting, I'll show you the coding part. So this is the index.html part code. This is web Tiffin service. So this is the JavaScript code which I have embedded in it, and this is the code, simple HTML and CSS code, and this is the CSS code. So this website is designed only for laptops, means web version, not for mobile version. So I'm going to show you. So this is the website dashboard. Here you can see this menu bar. Here you can place your logo also, your company's logo or your any personal logo, and this is the background of the website, and this is the menu bar, which is having 5 tabs. This is the home tab, this is menu 1 tab, this is menu 2 tab, this is the details tab, which get the details from the customer, and this is the about us tab. I haven't designed about us for this time, but later on I will design it also. So if a customer want to order some food, then he have to click on the order now button. This is the order now button. When he click on the order now button, he'll go to the menu 1 part 1 of the menu, which offers warm up dishes, burgers and smoothies. So here you can see that it is written that select any 2 from warm up, select any 2 from burgers, and select any 1 from smoothie, right? So this is the static website. So if user doesn't choose any of the dish, then it will not allow him to move further, right? So if he doesn't select any of the food, then he will get a pop-up like this. If he move next, please select 2 options from warm up. So he must have to select only 2 options from warm up. This is what I have apply validation on this menu 1. So if he select only 1 and move forward further, then he will get again get the error pop-up like select 2 options from warm up. So he have to select only 2 from warm up, any 2, and if he select 3 more than 2, then he also again get the same error. So he have to select only 2. Then if you move further without selecting anything from burger and smoothies, then he will get this error again. So he have to select 2 from burgers, any 2, and 1 from smoothies. So if you move further, he will get he will get an error. So he can select any of the smoothie, any one smoothie, so like jelly smoothie, right? Then he can move back to go to the dashboard. Then all these selections were resetted, but and he can move to the next part of the menu. So you can modify this page as per your own requirements. So these are my requirements, my assignment requirements. So I have designed this like this. So when he click on next, then he get an message that now select more from menu part 2. Then this is the menu part 2. So he have to select from 2 from sandwich, 2 from mains, and only 1 from shakes, right? So if he select only 1 from all of these, right, so he will get again an error pop-up like please select 2 from sandwiches. So he have to select 2, and if he only select 1 from main, and I have already said that select 2 from main, then he will get again an error. So you have to select 2 from mains, right? This is like barbecue. You have predefined, like you have ordered, this is the scenario where you have ordered a table, like a coupon of a restaurant. So in this coupon you can select 2 according to the coupon validations. You can select 2 dishes from each category, right? So these validation can be helpful there also. So when you click on the next button, he will set now enter your details in the next section. So when you click on OK, you will get this, right? These are the cart which you have which you can see that you have selected 10 products, 5 from each menu part. So you can increase your menu also, right? So this is the product 1, this is product 2, these are their rates, and these are the total bill, right? I haven't applied any payment portal in this website. This is a demo website. You can add your payment portal as well if you want to, right? Then here you can if the customer did not fill the form and proceed to checkout, then he will get an error that please fill out this field. So you have to fill all the fields. And Melton Park to Delhi, and any email like this, right? City Delhi, and 1104, right? If he will write any wrong email, then he will get the error message if when he proceed to checkout, right? So I have applied validation on email also. So at the rate, if he forgot to write Gmail or Yahoo, then he will get again error. So he have to write gmail.com, right? And then he will continue to check out. This is the final part. So when he click on checkout, this a message will pop up with the message written on it as thank you for shopping on Web Tiffin service, as my project name is Web Tiffin service, right? When you click on OK, everything was resetted. So this is the simple but best HTML and CSS website which I have designed. So I have only 1.5 minutes left. So through these tabs you can move between the sections, right? Menu 1 you can move, menu 2 you can move, menu and details you can move, and if you click on cancel, you will get to the part 1. This is the main. When you click on this order now, you will get this. When you click on back, you can go back. So this is the final website. Yes, and the source code, for the complete source code, you will get a downloadable link in the description of this video. So you can download from there also, and you can modify the website as per your own requirements. Thank you, and please visit my website, my blog, whoopywebs.tech. Thank you.